drawing this cute flower. So, let's get started. First, we will draw a circle to make the center of the flower. Now, we will draw the eyes and the mouth of the flower. At last, we will draw the petals around the circle. Friends, it is looking so beautiful! I am so excited! We will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the eyes of the flower. Black and mouth red. Now we will color the center of the flower yellow. Last, we will fill different beautiful colors in the petals of the flowers. Pink, red, orange, light brown, yellow, green, dark green, blue, dark blue, violet, purple, and it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.